So Faith is opening her first birthday present. She's turning 1 today. I let her start with this one just because she already pulled off the first paper, but now she's just saying, what a cool bag. Oh, children. She's like, okay, I'm ready for something else. Faith.
Hey.
Faith, look.
Look, Faith.
Okay, I'll let you open one of the more coolly wrapped
This is what
gifts.
Mom and Dad got you.
We got you a fun sand bucket playset because we planned a beach themed birthday. And a princess beach towel. And look,
Hey.
kind of looks like Faith and Mercedes. Oh yeah, good job. She's starting to stand. Okay, let's see if we can get you to open one of these now. Here. You want to learn how to rip open this wrapping paper? We'll let you play with that in a second. Faith,
No.
look. Look.
Okay, you want
Faith.
that?
Faith. Ooh, you like paper. Paper. Okay, this is hard to do both things.
Mercedes,
Do you want to
you
hold the
wanna help
camera?
her?
Do you want to
Can you
hold the
help
camera
her?
or do you want to
Come here. Hold on, I can. Hold on, let's get Mercedes to help her. She wants to help her.
Mercedes, come help Faith
Mercedes,
open the
can you
present.
come help open presents?
Ready? Yeah, she just
Yeah.
played with the toy now.
They have their matching PJs from Grandma Holiday.
Good job.
All right, Mercedes, help Faith. Can you help her open it?
Good job, girl.
Yeah, that's a good sister.
Okay. Ooh, you got sunglasses and hair bows. We're definitely gonna put one of these on.
Oh,
I
yes.
gotta get scissors.
Hold on.
Cute pants and oh, my first birthday onesie. You're so wearing that tomorrow. That's so cute. Wow, that's cute.
And looks like your older sister is taking out a 30% cut for her services in opening the presents. More like 60% cut. I just want the paper. You can have the presents.
Okay, we can start a different video or take pictures now.
Hi.